Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming essentials: an Azure DevOps project, a Git repo, and a service connection to your subscription. Next, create Azure pipelines. IML at the repo root and commit it. This is the pipeline source of truth. Once done, register an agent pool or use Microsoft-hosted agents, and make sure the service connection has contributor rights to the resource group you'll target. These are the first actionable steps, so the pipeline can read code and deploy resources immediately. You now model the pipeline flow. Create stages for build, test, and deploy, and split work into jobs and steps inside each stage. Use variables and variable groups for environment-specific values, and link secrets from Azure Key Vault or the library for safety. Once done, refactor repeated YAML into templates to keep the file manageable and reusable. Also define triggers, SCI, PR, or scheduled, and pick the agent pool and demands so jobs run on the right machines. You kick off the pipeline run and watch logs to confirm each task's success. Publish artifacts so releases can consume them. Then attach approvals and deploy to slots or staging before swapping to production, and make sure you set rollback or cleanup tasks. If something breaks, first inspect the task logs and exit codes, verify the service connection scope and resource permissions, and rerun the failing job with diagnostics enabled. This single troubleshooting step catches most permission or environment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.